already got these in, and we need to put this in. Ooh. Then we put the milk in. Then we stir it. Okay.
Hold the bowl.
Wow. Is
Very
it?
hard.
It's cool. Ooh, it's so chocolatey. Chocolatey smoothie. Muffin to make it brownie. And now we're going
You want to move this closer to you first?
sure, because I need to put it in.
Yeah, let's put it on. Okay. Don't hurt the camera.
This one. Why I want to do this? Well,
You want to talk about the muffins as you're doing this?
yeah. So, how do you like our muffins, Daddy?
It's looking good.
Muffin. Okay, Jojo, we need to put them in the oven. So, the kids like the muffins, and the muffins are so yummy.
When do you eat your muffins? You
When-
can get a little bit more in there. Try different scoops. Again. There you go.
Oh, we got one. Okay. I can't hold this too much. That one's okay.
Yeah, that one's
Let's
good.
try this one. Oh, it's okay. It's good. I will be back after the muffins are done. So after I put the muffin batter in here, I'm gonna say bye to you guys.
Why don't you say bye now so they don't have to watch and wait. We'll come back.
Okay. Bye guys. Thank you for Muffinville. Hello guys, we're back, and these are the muffins like this one, and we know that they're done, and it's so yummy. I think I'm ready to eat them.
Okay, go ahead. Try it.
Oh, you don't? Come on, brother. You want one? This one? This one. What? Okay. So my brother's here, and we're gonna do the muffin challenge.
All right.
So we're gonna take our wrappers off. We got 2 wrappers. Look at the wrappers. 2 wrappers? Bye, guys. Bye. No, not yet. We're doing this challenge.
All right, you guys ready to eat it? Wait. Count of 3. Ready, Jojo?
We're doing the challenge.
3, 2, 1. Take a bite. You like it?
Yeah.
Tell them.
You like it? You
Well,
like
they
it?
can't taste it. You tell them that you like it.
I like the muffin chips.
What's in your muffin, Megan?
Chocolate and
Chocolate chips.
chocolate chips. What's in yours?